Hi, Lyle McVeigh here with MarineMax in Dallas. Today I'm standing on a Solstice 250. This is a brand new for 2020 model. There's quite a few changes for the 2020 model year, some of which all new furniture. In the furniture we've got recessed cup holders. Of course they're lighted. We've got USB charging ports, lighted speakers throughout, floor and in the speakers. Cup holders in the armrests. We've got a ski locker here, huge, and it's also got a sump in the back, so in case it gets any water in it. Right here, new raised helm, also new this year. The addition of a 9-inch SIMRAD, so you've got all your GPS functions and everything in that. We've got a big JL stereo system on this model. Also got digital throttle and shift. Wireless phone charger right there at the helm. Also on this model we've got a tower and a double bimini. So this is a sports tower, so you can tow. Stereo speakers mounted on the tower as well. On this single lounge you've got a flip-flop seat for couch seating forward or backward. Also lays flat so you can relax. Also has a kick up in the back so that you can use it as a chaise facing forward if you want to be part of the action. Also built into this lounge section is a built-in ice chest, 3 more cup holders, audio controls right there next to you. On the back of the boat here, they've extended the swim platform quite a bit. We've got a deep reach swim ladder there and a flip down swim step along with our big ski tow bar. So as you can see, there's been a ton of changes on this Solstice lineup this year for 2020. Why don't you come by and check them out in person, or you can always see us online at www.marinemax.com.